we just heard BJP Bhopal MP Sadhvi Pragya level grave allegations against Digvijay Singh in a story that has now become very big after Republic broke it. Let me just tell you a little bit about the story. So it was on Thursday night, where in an interview to Republic Media Network's editor-in-chief, Arnab Goswami, Sadhvi Pragya revealed excruciating and ghastly and monstrous details of the torture that was inflicted upon her during her time in custody in the Malegaon blast case. Now, a lot of this was very difficult to hear because she was very detailed in the atrocities that were inflicted upon her. She named names of people and inspectors who were involved in the alleged torture. She described and she said things like the words inhuman and devil doesn't even begin to describe what I went through. Merciless beatings that she experienced and how the torture continued despite her lungs being damaged beyond repair. This is a story that you can read currently on republicworld.com and you can watch the entire interview. Just look at the headline. Sadhvi Pragya describing Parambir's torture will send a chill down your spine. It broke hers. Consequent to this, a lot of voices have emerged where people want to know if any of this was legal and they want this to be investigated. Ensuingly, on republicworld.com, we have launched a petition where the demand is that this alleged torture and the people behind the torture be investigated and probed. The petition can be found at petition.republicworld.com. You can go to it. You can read all about the petition, exactly what she had recounted in her retelling of the torture that she went through, the names of the people who she accused of being party to it, and the specific details of what was done then. She says, I was beaten without reasons. Parambir Singh was not satisfied even after the officials beat me. He hurled abuses at me and snatched the belt from another officer and started flogging me with it mercilessly. Some of this is very, very difficult to hear, like I said. Now, what the demand is, the first demand is for the immediate suspension and removal of Mr. Parambir Singh from the post of Mumbai Police Commissioner, pending full and complete inquiry on his direct and indirect role in the torture inflicted upon Sadhvi Pragya. The second is for the immediate suspension and removal of all serving police officers who have been accused by Sadhvi Pragya vis-a-vis torture. You can read the entire petition here, and then signing it is quite simple. You enter your name, you enter your last name, you enter your country, and you sign. A lot of people have been signing this. We floated this yesterday. It is awash with signatures from all across the country right now. A place where you can find it is republicworld.com. You go to the homepage and there it is. That's where you can read all about the petition. You can watch the interview with Arnab. You can make up your mind and then you can sign the petition. We have covered this story extensively on republicworld.com. All of the things she has said have been broken down comprehensively. All of the reactions that you need to know about, the opinions that have come in since then. We've had the VHP asking very strongly for a probe. We've had a lot of people from political circles and from the spiritual circles also completely aghast at the things that had gone on. And very soon we will have exactly what Sadhvi Pragya just said in her press conference as well. So that is something you can log on to right now and find. We've also put it up on Twitter. Here is a promo where she's describing exactly what she went through. It's petition.republicworld.com. That's where you need to go and sign and to demand justice for Sadhvi Pragya.